Sup guys, it's John. Hope everybody's doing well. You know what I don't get? Why do men tend to be cheap with their skincare? I always see these videos talking about the cheapest products for men, the affordable routine for men. And I don't get it, because for me, if I'm willing to spend hundreds on clothing and footwear, I'm willing to spend a bit on my skincare because I enjoy taking care of my skin. It's not just about not having acne, it's about how your skin feels throughout the entire day. And let's be honest here, I'm making this video because I used to be that guy. I used to not care what products I use. As long as I didn't have pimples, I was cool, I was good. But it wasn't until I started listening to my girl, trying out the products that she recommended, that I noticed a difference. Not just in the quality of the product, but how my skin felt, how it looked. It's now hydrated and moisturized all day. My skin's glowing, and honestly, I'm pretty proud of it. So that's why I want to share this video with you guys. And I know by the title, it may seem a little expensive, a little bit over the top, but I promise you, once you see, you're gonna understand why. Pause. All right, I want to be honest here and say acne is normal. It's gonna happen no matter what, but there are a few things we can do to kind of keep it under control, like drinking enough water, getting sunlight, not eating Chick-fil-A and cheating on your diet the day before you film. But sometimes we have stresses, hormones, things we can't control. You just have to remember, this routine is about the luxury of pampering and taking care of our skin, but the most important thing will always be taking care of your mental health and your personal health. Play. So let's go. Let's start with cleansing. Okay, now for cleanser, mine is this by the brand Tatcha. It's their rice wash, and this is what you call a game changer. Instantly, the first product you use is your cleanser, and you're gonna notice it as soon as you try it the first time compared to whatever regular cleanser you're using now. Like, this leaves my skin just, it like gets all the gunk and just dirt out of my pores, and my skin just feels like rubbery smooth. Like I got a new layer of brand new skin. That's how I feel. I promise you, you're gonna understand as soon as you try it. I think this was like 35 bucks, but you can get a smaller like travel size just to try it out for like $15 at Sephora. But this, 10 out of 10, so definitely recommend. Alright, next up, it's gonna be your toner. This is by the brand Laneige. This is their cream skin toner and moisturizer. If you don't know what a toner is you apply this right after cleansing. It helps get out all the extra little bits of dirt and gunk that you might have not gotten out with your cleanser, but it also helps hydrate your skin. And my skin can get a little dry if I don't drink enough water, so I feel the effects of this sometimes immediately. It cools off my skin, and I feel like my skin just absorbs it instantly. So I definitely love this. Again, it's a very light liquid. You don't really feel it on your face, and my skin absorbs it instantly. So yeah, this for a toner, 10 out of 10. Alright guys, now this is where my skin routine gets a little crazy. This little machine right here, it's called a NUFACE. Now if you don't know what this is or what it does, it basically sends microcurrents on your face. It helps slim, tighten your skin, but also lift it in the process. You may be wondering, like, why do you use this? Well, I like to use it in the morning time, because you know when you wake up, you're tired, you gotta go out, maybe you don't want to, but you got that like puffy, swollen face look. Well, this helps out a lot. Again, it slims down the look of your face, it tightens your skin, and it lifts it. And if you're still like, what? Let me just show you how to use it. Let me show you the results, and you're gonna understand why. Okay, let me show you how to use the NUFACE so you can understand why this is an essential part of my routine. To start off, I want to make it clear that this gel is extremely important as it prevents your face from feeling any of the microcurrents created by the NUFACE. As you can see, I'm applying a nice amount of this gel on my jawline and chin area, and for this first movement, we're going to start with the NUFACE at our chin. We're going to follow the shape of our jawline, stop right at the ear, and then hold it for a few seconds until it makes a beep. And now we're gonna repeat that movement 3 times. Next, I'm gonna get a good amount of this gel all over the side of my face. I'm gonna make sure to get all over my cheek, by the ear, by my nose, by my mouth, near my eyes, everywhere. And this section has 3 different movements that we're gonna wanna repeat 3 times each. These are the movements that are essential for removing the puffy look from our face, making sure we look refreshed, as well as enhancing our side profile. And finally, the forehead. This section has 3 different movements that tighten the skin and help prevent wrinkles, as well as soften any wrinkles you may already have. And now that we finished this side of our face, we're going to want to repeat everything on the other half. And now that I finished the routine, let me show you the results and compare it to a picture of myself where my face was just puffy all day. As you can tell, my face now is a bit more slim, it has shape, it's sharp, whereas in that other picture you can clearly tell my face is a bit more round and puffy. Okay guys, now I hope you understand why I use the NUFACE, and I hope you make the investment as well. But now it's time for the moisturizer. This is from the brand Tatcha as well. It's their Dewy Skin Cream. It's made out of antioxidant Japanese purple rice. I don't know exactly what that means science-wise, but the way it leaves my skin is amazing. This is what you call a game changer. I promise you, it's gonna outclass whatever other moisturizer you've ever used. This, the way it leaves my skin, it's like I got a new layer of skin, and it's like brand new baby skin that's just soft and hydrated at all times. And I mean at all times, like this lasts all day. I could moisturize at 10 a.m. I'm gonna feel the effects of it at the nighttime. I don't like to touch my face, but if I touch my face right now, I can still feel there's like a soft layer of moisturizer on there, just keeping my skin hydrated. So this, I definitely recommend. This is about, I think it's like $75 for this size. There's a size smaller that I think is like $65, but might as well just go for the bigger size for $10 more. And I promise you, you won't regret it. Every product I'm showing is a 10 out of 10. All right guys, now last but not least, sunscreen. Please always make sure to use sunscreen. This right here is from the brand Supergoop. It's just a regular spray-on sunscreen. I like it because it's small and compact. I can take it anywhere throughout the day. Please make sure to always use sunscreen. If you spend all this money on product, this whole routine, but you go out and you don't put on sunscreen, you're still letting those harmful sun rays potentially damage your skin, and you're not gonna see the results that you want. But yeah, this one right here is pretty cool, again from the brand Supergoop. And I'm gonna say it one more time, please wear sunscreen. Okay guys, that's my routine. I hope you enjoyed, and if you want to try any of the products out, links in the description down below. If I have to recommend one, it's gonna be the moisturizer. The way it leaves your face, it's just, you're gonna fall in love with it, I promise you. And also try out the NUFACE. If you do want to make that bigger investment into your skin routine, that's definitely something I recommend. You'll see the big difference, like the first or second time you use it, you're gonna understand why I recommend it. But yeah, if you have any more questions, comment down below. I'll answer all of them, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Let's get to it. Ba-dum, boom, boom.